If you think we got enough phones this year with high refresh rate displays, then let me tell you that we are just getting started. In 2020, we are getting a lot of phones with high refresh rate screens, and even companies like Samsung are going to follow this trend. We all know that leaks and rumors of the next year's Samsung Galaxy S11 series have already started, and I even made a video about the screen sizes and other details that we know. Now we have got to know something that would definitely make a lot of consumers buy the Samsung Galaxy S11 next year. The OneUI 2.0 is what we will see on next year's Samsung Galaxy S11 series of phones, and a hidden setting in it has now revealed Samsung's plans to add 120Hz displays on its next year's premium flagships. As you can see, these screenshots reveal a dedicated setting page to tweak the high refresh rate display, and as it shows, there are two modes, that is 60Hz and 120Hz. So it looks like Samsung is not going for a 90Hz display on its premium phones next year and jumping straight to the 120Hz display. That would result in a huge difference when you compare a 60Hz Samsung panel with the one having a refresh rate of 120Hz. There are two settings to choose from. Either you can set the display at 120Hz all the time, or let the software automatically switch between 60Hz or 120Hz based on the apps that you are running. Of course, setting the display at 120Hz all the time will consume the battery faster, and that's the reason the second option is there in the first place. Samsung has also trademarked the AMOLED display technology, so once again Samsung is going to change the name of display panel on its S series of phones. According to Ice Universe, Samsung won't go for a waterfall display like on phones like Huawei Mate 30 Pro. There is a display similar to the one on Samsung Galaxy Note 10, but the bezels are now thinner. Some rumors even hint at a 20:9 display, so it means the display is taller than on this year's Samsung Galaxy S series phones. Recently, the Samsung Galaxy S11 was certified with 3730 mAh battery, so the battery is bigger than the one on Samsung Galaxy S10 of this year, but still, considering that there is a 120Hz display, even this much battery might not be enough for a day if you plan to keep the display on 120Hz all the time. Some new camera features that we are going to see in the next year's Samsung Galaxy S11 series include 8K video recording and some new camera modes. There is a mode called Director's View, and using that mode you can switch between multiple cameras while shooting a video. Then there is a mode called Night Hyperlapse, which sounds like a combination of night mode and hyperlapse. Some other modes include vertical panorama, custom filters, single take photo, etc. Talking about the camera specs, the Samsung Galaxy S11 is most likely coming with a quad camera setup that would include a primary 108 megapixel camera, a secondary 48 megapixel camera, a third 12 megapixel camera, and a fourth time of flight sensor. Well, if all these leaks and rumors are correct, the Samsung Galaxy S11 is turning into an impressive phone that is launching next year. And what's more impressive is the fact that these are the rumored specifications of the Galaxy S11 series, and we may get even better features in the next year's Galaxy Note 11 series. So that's all about this video. Do let me know what are your views in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.